Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be looking at typography in Canva. So we'll be creating text, customizing text, using different text layouts, and so on. So let's dive straight into it. First of all, I'm going to create a completely blank file, which we can use to test different design skills with. So I'm going to click Create a Design up here, and then I'm going to go to Custom Dimensions, and then I'm going to put in 1920 by 1080. There we go. And of course we want it to be in pixels, and then I'll click Create New Design. So because we're going to be looking at typography, we want to create some text. So in order to do that, I will click onto the Text tab down here. And as you can see, we have many different options for adding text. So we can add some basic text, a heading, subheading, or body text. Or we can look below this and we can add a font combination. So these are text layouts that have been pre-made for us. So there are tons to choose from. But to start with, we are going to be adding a basic heading. Then I'm just going to write some random text. And what I'm going to do is show you how you can customize this text. So first of all, you can change the font by selecting the text and then clicking on the font up here. And then you can select any font that you want to use. As you can see, it is as easy as that. Simply select a font and it will update on your design. Next, we will customize the text size. So you want to click onto this number up here and you can select any text size that you want to use. Or alternatively, you can type in your text size in the box up here. So if I want to type in 1, it's not really visible, but as you can see, the text down here is 1 pixel, but I'll change that to 50. And now it is much more visible. In order to change the color of your text, you want to click onto this icon up here, and then you can select any color. So we have new color up here, where you can choose any color from a color palette. Document colors. So these are colors which are already in your design. Below that, I have my own brand colors from my brand kit. You may not have this as it is only available in pro accounts. And then finally, underneath that, we have a set of default colors. So let's have a look at this green right here. There we go. Next, we have some more simple text customization options. So by clicking this B up here, you can make it bold. By clicking this I here, you can make your text italic. And then by clicking on this U up here, you can underline your text. After that, you can make all of your text uppercase or lowercase by clicking on these A's just here. Next, we have the text alignment settings. So simply click here until you have the alignment that you want to use. So right now my text is aligned to the right. After that, you can put your text into a list. So we have a bullet point list. And then if you click it again, you can have a numbered list, but I don't want my text to be in a list, so I'll click it one more time and the list is gone. And then we have text spacing. So first we can adjust the letter spacing. I'll leave it at 200. And then if we have multiple lines of text, I'll just make it so that we do. We can also change the line height as well, as you can see. And then you can also anchor the text box by using these 3 options here. So that is the basics of typography within Canva. I will just show you how these font combinations work. So let's say this one here, for example, select it. And then you simply need to click onto the text that you want to edit. So for example, I'll click onto the text at the bottom. And then just like before, you can change the font, the colors, make it italic, underline it, change the text size, and so on. And then to change the actual text, which is in the font combination, simply select it and write something different. If a word doesn't fit in and you need more space, Simply make the box bigger like so, and then you can put the text wherever you want it to be. So that is basic typography within Canva. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.